The backstory on my wood furniture is I've refinished it 4 times in 7 years. Nothing has worked and nothing has lasted more than a few weeks in the hot Florida weather. This time, I used a water-based sealer, which you can read a lot more about in my blog post at h2obungalow.com. But the furniture has looked the same for almost 3 months now in the hot Florida sun, the humidity, and lots of rain. So today I'm going to share with you what I did, how I did it, and how to do this furniture makeover in 3 easy steps. The first thing you'll need to do is to clean and prep your wood before sealing it. So you have 2 choices. You can sand everything by hand and use an orbital sander, or you can power wash it and finish it off with the sander. Power washing your wood furniture is easy. I used a 3200 PSI gas power washer, although any power washer will work. My tips for pressure washing your wood furniture is to practice on the underside first. Keep your nozzle about 3 to 4 inches away from the wood. Move steadily. Go with the wood grain when possible, and let it dry overnight before moving on to your next step. Next, you'll sand any rough spots or areas you missed while power washing. I used 150 grit sandpaper. Always go with the grain of the wood, and remove any dust by wiping it down before moving on to your next step. I used my HomeRide Super Finish Max paint sprayer and 2 extra paint containers for this project. It comes with different spray tips for paint or stain depending on the thickness of what you're spraying. I used the blue tip for this project. This project works best if you use a heavy-duty plastic drop cloth and you elevate your furniture on blocks or bricks. I used this water-based semi-transparent sealer stain on my teak furniture. You can read more about it in my blog post and find a link to it in the comment section here on YouTube. For the tables, I sprayed the underside first, and then I flipped it over and sprayed the top, which made it easier to put aside and dry. I didn't spray the seat part heavily where the cushions would rest on chairs because I didn't want the stain color to transfer over to the cushions. You only need to apply a thin coat. It will absorb pretty quickly into the wood. It's going to look similar to a stain. Wipe away any excess with a clean painter's rag. The last thing you need to do is set aside your furniture and let it cure for about 48 hours. I did this so I didn't have any transfer of stain onto my seat cushions. So that's it. I was able to refinish my outdoor teak furniture in 3 simple steps on a weekend, which took me less than 2 days. You'll find lots more information in my blog post. Search Refinish Outdoor Teak on h2obungalow.com. While you're there, don't forget to follow me. And you'll find links for everything in the comment section below. And again, follow me on YouTube, H2O Bungalow. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you real soon.